Hello everyone, my name is Maria Alejandra Vargas Rueda, Group 4, and the movie's name is Me Before You. Okay, know the plot. Beginning. Louisa Clark is a very resourceful and outgoing woman. It has an incredible spark of joy and tenderness, although sometimes it is a bit clueless. She works in a cafe and is suddenly fired from there. Her boyfriend is Patrick, whom she feels she no longer loves. The knot is basically after getting along very badly, they end up falling madly in love. But will makes a devastating decision for Clark, posing a difficult question for both her and viewers. What to do when the happiness of the people you love also means destroying your heart? Ending. The history ends with the narration of a very emotional letter that leaves Will before dying addressed to her. What did you learn about the movie? From this movie, I have learned several important things. The first is that life can change you suddenly. One day you can be on top and the next day on the ground, and you must value the people who are next to you in those falls to help you lift. The second is that the little delays can make you very happy if they come from the right person. The third thing is that when love is so great, you make sacrifices for the happiness of the other person. How did the movies make you feel? You feel? It made me feel quite moved since it's a very sad history, but at the same time fun, but especially surprised since the end was very unexpected. How does the movie relate to the academic program you are studying? The film doesn't really have much to do with engineering theory, but it leaves us with very important things to keep in mind as good professional and human beings. Between them, don't give up in the face of adversity and fight for an objective accompanied by the right persons. Another ending for the movie called B. Another possible ending would have been for Will to give up on the idea of giving up and instead fight together for recovery and enjoy their company for much longer. Okay, thank you so much, everyone.